Mbanga ni kitikelelu nuwa mwingi na andu elimatoni madhayumo. Vahu iyo mwendo wa saa umwe na nusu iya wiyo. Mbanga isu ikitikie mwingilelu nuwa chuso. Vakuvi na sokoa waitana ikona Nissan na bus nini ila si elekele ngali ili kivadhukanyo ato ndeleva usuwa bus nini ulele kwa tia meo ya lelo na vandu vake eslanzia ila utea ile kwisila kila kitumia akongana na Nissan ila yu kitangalela ando eli ni matiwe ni madhayumo vau kwa vau na angi kukwata mauumisye manene aili matiwe ni dhayo nivo mwena John Mwendwa Kilonzo ula inaokuwa miaka miongweli nena na wakeli ni mundu muka ula utanamba kumanyikana masito make.
My name is Nicholas Mutua, Sub-County Police Commander, Mwingi Central Sub-County. I do report a fatal accident which occurred at around 7:30 p.m. Which occurred along Mwingi Chuso Road, and it caused an accident where it involved two buses of a company moja inaitwa Lolo Bus Company, which was heading from Mwingi side and into Chuso. And the other one is a company of Kitui, which was heading from Chuso heading to Mwingi town, where it collided and it left two people dead, and 44 were admitted at Mwingi level 4 hospital.
Alama kwa tia mauumisye ni masembi wesi vitali ni mnene wa Mwingi level 4 vala polisi no maende na kwa tia na kesi isu. Gili vote ya Chen TV ni Faith Mutua.